I've spent over 50 years using cast iron. I'm going to tell you right now, just stop with all the seasoning. Don't ruin your whole weekend seasoning your cast iron. You're trying to get that beautiful black patina on this skillet. You're just wasting your time. Let me show you the secret to just baking in it. So many folks think you need some kind of 10-step process to season this skillet so it becomes non-stick. I'm going to tell you to stop that chemistry project and just bake in it. It's just about heat. So we're just going to throw these biscuits down this skillet after a little prep, and we're going to see if I'm just blowing smoke or this actually works. So this particular skillet right here, this is one of them fancy lodges with just the factory seasoning. Now granted, I've cooked in it on the stove 10, 15 times since I bought it, mainly to show you how it works excellent on my YouTube channel. But when I'm baking something in the oven, use a low temperature oil, such as olive oil. So just throw you a little bit down here in this pan. You don't need a whole bunch. Give her a couple dabs. Now, if you've been watching my channel, I love these shop towels. They come in them pop-up boxes. Just rub this in. Now, you want to rub this in like you were going to spend all weekend seasoning. You can do the outside if you want. I don't think it's necessary in this particular case. You're just trying to keep it from being real thick. That's exactly what you do when you're going to season this skillet. But just rub it in there. I don't have any crud in my skillets because I clean them after I use them every time. So you should have a clean towel coming out of there. You can use whatever you like, just as long as it's lint free. So next we're just going to put those biscuits down here in this skillet. Well, let's put them in here. You can see all them butter chunks in there. These are going to be good. Now, I'll tell you what's going to happen ahead of time. Is once we put this down there in the oven and bake these, you will have little circles everywhere this is at, because every time you bake it's just going to get a little bit better. So I have the oven on 375. We're just going to stick them in here. And we'll go about 15 minutes is a rough guess. Because if you watch my channel, you know I don't really have many recipes. I just do it from experience. So I'm thinking about 15 minutes should be right. I put them down on the bottom because I like the bottoms of them a little bit crisp. Let's see what happens. Hey, as those biscuits start to bake, I have a question for y'all. What do you put on your biscuit? I always have to go with some fresh butter, and then I'm not sure what I'm going to use today. I'd like to know what you use on your biscuits. Do you do grape jelly, strawberry jelly, or maybe a little honey? One of my old-time favorites that my mommy always loved was apple butter. I'm plumb out, so no apple butter today. Let me know in them comments what you like the best. I'm going to take a quick look at these babies. Looking pretty good. Look at that, no stick. A little bit brown. I think we're brown good. I'm just going to move them up to the top, get them tops nice and golden brown too. I took a little peek in there. It was 18 minutes total. 15 on the bottom, 3 on the top. These things are ready to go. Let me get them out and put them over here. Oh, those look beautiful. Let's see what happened to this skillet. I'm telling you, nothing is stuck. No need for a utensil. Golden brown on the bottom, golden brown on the top. Look at that butter in there. Oh, that's good. Look at the heat rolling out of there. Completely done on the inside. But I want to put some butter on here. Stick one on there. Throw the lid on. Throw the lid on that one. Put the lid on that one. Stick the lid on that one. And the lid goes on number 5. Didn't stick a lick. All 5 moved out of there without a problem. No extra seasoning. So you can tell where each biscuit was. But look what happened in the other areas. It's starting to darken up. Let me take a wet shop towel and kind of wipe a few of these crumbs out so you can get a better look. Now you can see that thing got a little bit darker than when we started. And you can see the edges. They're starting to get darker. So just quit worrying about all this seasoning nonsense. Just use your cast iron. And if you bake, it's even better. I'm going to take these biscuits and put something on there. I might mix it up, do a couple different things. Quit worrying about all that seasoning nonsense. You don't have to be a chemist to use cast iron. Just cook in it. And better yet, bust it out, throw it in the oven, and just keep cooking.